and you can use it to shine your kitchen sink faucet. That's what we are going to do. And you can see all the filth, all the stains from the water drops and all that, the darkness. So we can shine our kitchen sink faucet also by using our pine salt and vinegar solution. Look at the brightness. Look at how shiny that is looking. Look at before and compared to now. So you know you can use this for your kitchen sink faucet and make it look shining and bright.